Putting stamps on letters is kind of weird. Or pasta's wet pasta when you wet the pasta. Why don't I get paid when I use the self-checkout? Is Nelly Furtado still alive? Ugh, leave me alone. Tuesday's my day.
Howdy.
Jack, it's Gran. She's not doing well, okay? Can you get to the hospital? We've got to say goodbye. I can't pick you up, sorry. You have to make your own way there. But be quick, because you could go any minute. Oh, I love you.
Shit.
Shit.
This is not good.
This is bad. Can I help you?
Just be normal.
My grandma's dying.
Sorry to hear.
It's just what grandmas do. Don't take it to heart.
Not normal. So not normal.
It's not your fault. Hi.
She's actually dying right now. Say something. Everyone's looking at you. She's gonna die while you are tripping. You are the worst grandson. Does Mum always smell like that?
You smell nice, Mum. What perfume is that?
Oh, it's the usual, don't worry about that.
Can't handle that. Nope. No way.
She's wrinkly.
You can say whatever you want, darling. Just take your time.
Just say it in your head. If you say it out loud, everyone will know you are tripping.
I'll just say it in my head.
What do you say to a person that's going to die?
Good luck, Grandma.
In your head!
Sorry.
What are you sorry for, love?
What?
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 Huh?
What do you mean, good luck, Grandma?
Good luck for death, I don't know.
Nice. You're nailing it. God, Claire is such a bitch. Don't say that out loud.
Yeah.
What?
Did I say that out loud?
Yeah.
Huh?
You said yeah.
Guys, can we just say goodbye to Grandma, please? As a family.
Say something. Otherwise, they'll know you are tripping.
Goodbye, Grandma.
Are you stoned?
Claire!
Well, he's acting like it.
No, I'm not tripping.
I asked if you were stoned. Why'd you mention tripping?
Just to let you guys know that I'm not tripping.
Fuck.
I am tripping.
On a Tuesday morning. Nice.
I didn't know Grandma was gonna die when I started, okay? And you can't turn it off. It's just how I am now.
Mum, can you talk some sense into him? He's being really inappropriate right now.
See, I was at Bottomless Brunch when the hospital rang. That's why I couldn't pick you up. I'm smashed. Well, you know Tuesday's my day off, Claire. And I'm supposed to be the mother anyway, not you.
Yeah, Claire, we can't all be perfect little robots like you.
Stop!
No, you stop. I can do what I like, okay? You don't have to go around making people as uptight as you are.
Can you just both stop fighting, please? This isn't the time.
There's a difference between being uptight and not tripping on Tuesday morning like an absolute wastrel.
You think that's an insult? I don't even know what wastrel means.
Yeah, 'cause you're stupid.
Oh, somebody stop me. I got another A+. What a flex.
Stop fighting. This is a solemn occasion.
I lied! I failed my last assignment.
Oh, Claire, hun.
I got a B-. My academic career is over.
A B- isn't a fail, right?
Might as well be.
You're putting too much pressure on yourself. A B- is really good. Fun fact. Did you know that Nelly Furtado is Canadian? Yeah, and in 2006 she had like a nervous breakdown. She kept putting too much pressure on herself, and then one day it all just snapped. It's like a state of mind, you know, not thinking you're good enough. Nelly Furtado didn't think she was good enough, and yet we love her, right? So Claire, imagine you, if Nelly Furtado didn't feel like she was good enough, and you were like, oh, I've got to make Nelly Furtado feel good about herself because she doesn't feel good about being Nelly Furtado. What would you say to Nelly Furtado to make Nelly Furtado feel better?
Nelly Furtado is amazing.
Can we please stop saying Nelly Furtado?
Claire, you are Nelly Furtado. And you are good enough.
I think you think that this pep talk is a lot more poetic than it actually is. But I appreciate the sentiment.
See, this is what family's all about. I just love you guys so much. Grandma's dead. We missed her dying. I'll pay you both $100, okay? If you just don't tell anyone that we missed your grandma dying because we were talking about Nelly Furtado.
You're beautiful, and that's for sure. And you'll never ever fade. You're lovely, and that's for sure. And I'll never change.
And although my love is rare,
and your love is true. Gran's like a bird, she's gonna fly away. She don't know where her soul is, she only knows where her home is. And baby, all I want is come on, Grandma. Gran's like a bird, she's gonna fly away. She doesn't know where her soul is. She doesn't know where her home is. And baby, all I want is